Long time no see, I'm Stella, and today I'm gonna explain how to make dalgona. The food was introduced in a movie called Squid Game. It is a movie about winning a prize for completing each stage of game. I watched them too. I personally think that the dalgona game is the most difficult one, because I know that it is not easy to cut dalgona according to its figure. When I was a kid, there are street vendors which sells various shapes of dalgona. I had always stopped by the place after school with my several friends. The owner of dalgona place gave me another piece of dalgona if I succeeded in making it. I even tricked them by using my saliva to melt a dalgona. However, I barely succeeded in it. Dalgona have always cracked unevenly. It made me so nervous, and it feels like some sort of task before going to home. After I grew up and make this video for my channel, I have realized that making dalgona is way more difficult than make a right shape with a needle. I failed so many days to make a perfect dalgona. All you need is sugar, baking soda, dalgona kit, and paper foil. You need to adjust your heat to very low and put 2.5 spoons of sugar inside. When the edges of sugar melted out, it is time to stir them with a wooden chopstick. Keep stir them with a wooden chopstick and melted sugar will start to form a little ball. And finally, it'll become a liquid. Put a little bit of baking soda. I can't exactly tell how much it is because it is too little. And then stir them with a wooden chopstick. Please be careful because it'll burn easily once you put a baking soda. So stay away from fire when you stir dalgona. Then pour them on a paper foil and press them so the dalgona would spread evenly. And then press the middle mold. The melted dalgona is likely to be stick anywhere, so be sure to brush oil on every tools. When you try to take them off from paper foil, you should try it from the edges. I don't have triangular, circular, or umbrella mold like in the movie, so I choose to use the bird or star figure. It'll be melted out easily, so I always keep them inside the freezer. You can put them on an iced latte, cookie, or bread. It has a bittersweet taste, and I think that's why people like it. Actually, making dalgona is the best way to kill the time. If you have nothing else to do during the quarantine, then I recommend doing this at your home. You can share this dalgona with your family and friends and have a quality time together. And don't be too disappointed if you mess things up. Hope you enjoy my video and see you next time. Bye bye!